You clicked on this video because you're trying to sell some of your old video games. That must mean that you're in the same boat as me. You've either had these video games or you bought them to play with friends and it just never happened, or you just never felt the need to touch them again. So you're either in need of money or you just want some extra cash that you could possibly make fast. And an easy way to do that is by cleaning up the old library of video games that you don't no longer need. And so in today's video, I'm be showing you how to get rid of those video games and make some money while also doing that. In order for us to be able to sell some of our old game keys, we will need to have a website to be able to sell them on. So for today's video, I'm be using G2A. What's so good about this website is that there's actually a lot of people who use this website. So a lot of people that you could potentially sell your keys to, and some people who possibly need those keys. To get to this website, all you gotta do is go to your search engine, then go to your search bar and type in G2A. Then it should look something like this. Once you're on the website, it should ask you to sign in or register. In your case, you would need to register and make an account. Once you have signed in, all you gotta do is click on your profile and then navigate to dashboard. You should be on a screen similar to mine, and in order for you to start selling, you just gotta hit start selling, and this is where you gotta fill out a bunch of different information about your own business that you're gonna have to go to, and I'll show you what you'll need to do. But as you can see, I've already submitted an application and now I'm just waiting to be approved. Now, if you're having trouble with your LLC registration or your business registration, as you'll see when you fill out the form, then you're in the same boat as me. You actually have to go to a website that's provided by your state. So it's your state's website because it's a business with your state, and I guess it's for taxes and different reasons. But after you fill all of that out, you should be good to go and be able to start selling all of your video games and making some money. If you made it this far into the video, you might as well watch some more content, and thank you to all our supporters.